Yo, what up, YouTube Yaks? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right there, right here, right there, and over there. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. All right, so you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit, yeah. So, what did I get? Well, I actually had two of these come in. One of them got delayed. I just canceled it out. And it didn't make sense for me to even wait for it. Because it was just destroying my day and stuff like that. So, damn, they packed this shit up like double time. Alright, so we gotta get that bat knife. This got here quick, but this looks like something coming from China. Look like a kilo right there. Another cuelo, she love me in the morning. Another cuelo, she gonna love me in the morning. Damn, they got this thing wrapped up pretty good. No, that came from China, or from a China warehouse. So, can we get it open? There we go. And here we go right here. So, I ordered two of these. I ordered a big one, actually had the clamp on here. Basically like this or whatever. And the thing is, the reason why I canceled it out, because I was supposed to got it yesterday, which is the 18th. This one and the other one was supposed to come today. And again, it didn't get to me. And it's supposed to be out for delivery tomorrow. I canceled that. I don't want it. If I want it at a later time, I'll get it. The reason why I wanted this more is because I wanted something a little bit smaller. And that's not going to put up a lot of weight on my camera. So here's my camera right here. My Sony E10 right there. Extra lens, I got that right there for ultra wide. Give that thing a bigger field of view with that lens right there. And the remote control right there that pops out like that. I've been rocking with this. I've been recording with this like half of the day. Took it out. If y'all don't know, today's my birthday. It's December 19th. So yeah, I am 40 years old and not liking it. Yeah, 40, bro. 40 years old. Let's put this on here. Put this on this one right here. Okay, so let's get this bad boy off. Right here. Twist this off. There we go. Now, there's no instructions, so I guess there's no part to pick it up. Oh, I think it's right here that you unscrew it right here. So let me see. Can I put it in without actually have to do all that extra crap? Can we? Yeah. It was literally just that easy. So I don't even have to unscrew the other part. So literally it's just this. There we go. Then it's a place. And so twist that on. There we go. There's the cage. Now, why did I get the cage? Yeah, I wanted this one. This one is lighter. The other one I was going to get was a little bit thicker. It had a nice grip on it like that, but I do like this grip right here, so that is pretty good. Now, the reason why I got it, so when I'm doing my unboxings over the top, unboxings and stuff like that, and I need to do it, I got this part right there. So I got this 1/4 inch thread right there, whatever you want to call it, and I can have it sit up regularly like that. I still got to get a fan for this thing, because shooting in 4K 60 gets hot. I basically got the cage to try to take off a lot of that heat and stuff like that. But yeah, I like this cage. This cage is going to do me wonders. Yeah, it don't look like I need to do anything extra. Maybe if I, yeah, it doesn't look like. The problem I was having, like when I want to do with my lavalier mics, and I'm using my using this one currently right now. I'm using my DJI Pocket 3, but when I want to use this right here, due to the fact that this thing is too big, I can't push it in like that, and it just scrapes it up. So with this one, might be a little bit easier. Yeah, way easier to get that on there like that. I do have some extra mounts that I have on my DJI Pocket 3 for a hot shoe, so I can do it. So yeah, I do like the fact that I can do it like that, and this looks way better like that. So yeah, this is coming up. You guys don't know, I actually have a full camera rig with my other thing. Let me just grab that real quick. Y'all gonna hear some noise while I go inside my bucket and get some of my camera gear. Here we go. So basically it's this right here, right there. Put that sucker on there. That up as so. Lock that bad boy on and throw that sucker on here right there, and we good to go. You know what I'm saying? Put that sucker back up on there like that, and we got our camera rig. All right, boys. This is it right here. Let's just get that right there. That y'all see the cage real quick. We got a thumbnail already for it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Let's just get this into the thing. Move this out the way. Let's get that out of here so you guys can actually see the cage. So yeah. Do we need to? I don't know. You know what? I already got a thumbnail of it. If anything, I'll just take another picture of it, get a nice little thumbnail out of it. If not, but I am gonna take this off because I want to play with the cage a little bit and mess with it. So yeah, here it is right there. Let's just leave it right there. Put the camera right there. If you want something lightweight, right here, I like this one. It's real lightweight. It's not making it bulky. Have like a little groove right here for holding it like that. I like this. It's cool. All right, guys, that's it, and I'm out. Hold on. Oh snap! Hold on. No, I think we can just. I don't know. I was just looking at. Oh, right there. Okay, that's cool. Okay. All right, guys. Oh snap! And that's a full. That's a magnet right there. Okay. Learn something new every day. All right, guys. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell. Become part of the DYZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.